very difficult to kind of sum this up in a few words, but I think it was a learning experience, especially with Naxa on board. The kind of lessons that I've learned by just observing him. He's somebody who greets everybody on set to start off with. He'll walk in with a life of his own and an energy which rubs off onto the entire set. And what is usually, noticed about stars, or at least said about stars, is that they keep to themselves. They're not very interactive. But Naxa was anything but that. I remember the first day itself when he walked in, and we interacted. It was him who broke the ice and spoke to me, and we connected on various other levels, because I remember the first things that he told me is that his first film was choreographed by Ashley Lobo, and that's the dancing background that I come from. So that kind of broke the ice, and thereon we would just keep talking about various works of life, even beyond films. So I think for somebody who's growing in their career, and who's still kind of climbing the ladder and tasting success in various ways, or is associated with anything which can give you a certain high. To meet somebody like a Naxa is like a check on your own. If he can be that person today, I think it's a learning experience for all of us.
Your character is how much difference from your previous character?
Very, very different, right from the way she dresses to the way she carries herself. I think in Run Raja Run, if I had to compare, in Tiger and Columbus, I was still more Indo-Western, or went completely Indian. But in Run Raja Run would be the closest comparison. However, the character in Run Raja Run was a lot more girl next door than probably I play here in Raju Gari Gadi. And it really goes beyond, her clothes, as much as, the hype is. And I keep getting tweets and Facebook messages regarding, the kind of comfort that she has in her dressing sense. I think when you watch the film, you probably understand that when she starts speaking, you really take your focus away from what she's wearing and listen to her speak. She's as relatable as any woman of today is. And I honestly didn't find it to be a challenge playing her, because there are a lot of similarities that I find with the character, and somehow everything just fell into sync.
Do you have any combination scenes?
Yes, I do. Like I said, my first very day I had a combination shot, and I can't reveal too much about the content that we share, but I feel like he's an actor who keeps emotions very real, and I've never seen him cheat or fake an expression. I think whatever comes out of him would come out of a sense of feeling, like this is how he would respond probably if the camera wasn't even rolling. So I think working with him was with some actors, sometimes you kind of have to find your tempo, you need to find your beat, and that sync. But with Naxa, somehow everything just fell into place, and I've had a beautiful experience.
Okay. What about your director?
Omkar is honestly one of the most, what do I say? He's a very detailed director, right from what the character is wearing, to her makeup, to her hair, to the strand which is probably flying around due to the wind. He's somebody who takes notice of everything, and that is very assuring for an actor, because when you're shooting, there are a lot of things that can go wrong. Everything that can go wrong, like there's a saying, does go wrong. But when you have somebody like him, you kind of almost know that even if I don't have that running at the back of my mind, I know that this person will definitely overlook that. And right from the first rush to the last, and I've seen all the scenes that I've been a part of on the film. I haven't seen the entire film yet, but whatever I've seen of mine, I now realize every time he said, let's do it again, and it's just come together with so much more finesse. And I think that really differentiates one director to another. I personally love working with people who I really don't mind if we have to do it a number of times, so long as we get the best result out. And he is that you know, that rare breed who makes sure he gets that out.
What kind of emotions you carry with your character?
So as human beings, I think we all have all kind of emotions. Let's start off by saying that there is no difference, you know, when it comes to this character. She feels everything, and it's just a matter of how she responds and how easy she is, or when does she get a little you know, taken aback by things. That's really what differentiates who she is as a person as to how maybe any other character would be. So just as any other human being, since she is human, she feels everything.
Fact that a lot of things are reshooted. Is it true?
Not that I know of, especially around my scenes. No, I don't think. I think this is false.
Are you a ghost?
Am I a ghost? It's like asking me the climax of the film before it's even released. Let's just leave that for you to know in 2 days. Yeah.
Okay, working with Veneera Kishore and
Oh, absolutely fun. He is a ride to work with. It's not just the content that we crack on about. I think there were a lot of course, we all know that he's a very established and a very commendable and credible comedian. But when I was working these scenes with him, you know, there were so many times where we had to really do the shot for ourselves and rehearse it so many number of times so that we wouldn't go back to you know, laughing or giggling during the take if either one of us had to not be in that space. He's somebody who's very relatable and very honest and very easy, I would say, to work with, you know. I mean, I've had a great time working with Kishore, and I've always known of him. I mean, I've seen so much of him already. So to me, it was it just, like I said, there are a lot of things about this film that just fell into place, and he's done a fantastic job. That's what I would say. I think everybody who watches the film will come out remembering him and the kind of contribution he's had to the film. It is a horror comedy at the end of the day, and Kishore stands for the comedy.
do you have any songs?
Yeah, I think that there is a montage song. There is another very interesting surprise in the film with regards to my character, which I will leave for you all to see on the 13th of October.
Okay, what are you expecting from this movie?
A lot of love, honestly. I think there's some things that you can't explain when you work on certain projects. You just there is this vibration on set, and I've always felt that right through Raju Gari Gadi. Everybody's been so involved and so communicative with one another, so expressive with one another. I honestly have no negative feeling really with this film, and if anything, I just feel that the audience is going to come out feeling extremely refreshed and feel like they've you know, utilized and spent their money in the right direction without feeling disappointed.
Any combination scenes with Samantha?
No, with Sam I haven't had a combination scene yet, but I mean, I've always known of her, and through the posters, everything that I see, I feel like she's so doll-like. You know, when you look at her, there's an innocence, and for the kind of aura that she's portrayed on the posters, really goes to show how versatile she is as an actor. And I'm really looking forward to seeing her and the contribution she's had on the film.
Finally, about production house.
Oh, lovely. I mean, I think it's one of the few production houses which have just ensured that everything has kind of fallen into place. Actors have not felt like you know, their time and energy has been stretched too much, and PVP sir, Niranjan, everybody together, they're very happy people by nature themselves. So every time they walked onto set and, you know, they kind of watched the rushes or the scenes that we were shooting together, there was a very together atmosphere. And that alone speaks volumes. So I mean, I'm very grateful that they could see me in the character that I play today, and I wish the entire team and all of you all the luck. I hope you all enjoy what we've created, and lots and lots of love.
Hi Indigo, it's viewers. This is Anu Emanuel.
Exclusive videos.
For more interviews
And gossips.
news and much more.
Please subscribe to IG Telugu.